This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the parts so assembly is smooth and accurate. Lay the frame and temple on a soft towel, then clean the hinge faces with an alcohol wipe. This removes grime that prevents a flush fit. Once clean, pick the correct tiny screwdriver and position the screw at the hinge hole with tweezers because manual placement reduces fumbling. Make sure to keep steady pressure so the screw seats straight. Crooked starts lead to stripped threads and misalignment. Next, align the temple hinge to the frame precisely so the holes match. Misalignment makes the arm bind or wear prematurely. Insert the screw straight into the hole and turn slowly until you feel the threads catch, because rushed cross-threading ruins the screw. Once engaged, tighten with short controlled turns, use minimal torque and stop when snug. Over-tightening distorts metal and strips threads. If the hinge feels tight, open and close the arm a few times to seat parts before final snug. Finish by testing the arm. Open and close several times to confirm smooth movement and consistent tension. If it's too loose, tighten a fraction of a turn. If too stiff, loosen slightly. Small changes matter because metal flex accumulates. For security, apply a dab of thread locker if screws loosen over time. Make sure to wipe excess. If a screw is stripped, replace it with the correct kit screw. As a temporary fix, you can insert a small toothpick or thin shim with glue to give the new screw material to bite into.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.